Tonight we'll see and hear firsthand
This kind of sound. Let's hear the rest of it.
Good morning, bright and early Tuesday morning, heading to Herzliya now to Proov HQ, eating with a CEO I've been trying to meet, or we've been trying to meet now for months. So we might eat meat and wine, we might eat Herbert Samuel, undecided. And tonight, doing something I don't often do, and I'm staying to meet another CEO for dinner. Not a big fan of evening events, but again, a CEO we've been trying to meet for a very long time, so tonight, dinner. All in all, I'm spending most of my day at Proov HQ, so it's gonna be a good day because the new HQ, the new offices, are amazing. I came fully equipped with my DJI Spark, droning to follow. Pretty sure that was the most divine footage I've ever captured. The view here is just outrageous. Now I gotta get some work done, which isn't easy, but I'm going to practice some self-control. See you later. All right, so you saw the amazing new view at the new Proov HQ. There's something else new here. Well, not brand new, but new for me. Who are you?
My name is Yossi Ben Harosh.
You are the new?
I'm the new CEO.
COO of this company.
COO of the company.
It's huge.
And I truly believe that we have here an amazing potential.
This company is going very, very far. I've been saying it all. I love this company. I fundamentally believe in this company. We'll talk about what Proov does. We've talked about it before, but we'll talk about it again soon. But just give me some background. What have you been doing? Because you told me your background, I almost fell off my chair. What have you done in your life?
So I'm an enterprise veteran. I was CEO of 3 companies.
Okay.
I was the CEO of MDocs.
Small little company.
Small company. I was also a CEO of a Nasdaq traded company. Most of the companies are in telecommunication, high tech.
Love it. Can I interrupt you for 1 second?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, you'll forgive me. I have super ADD, so I jump in. It's very rude. But I think only in Israel do we call it high tech. In the world, it's just called tech.
Yeah, tech. It's actually tech.
In Israel, we call it high tech. I don't know where that came from, but anyway, okay, go on.
It's an Israeli term.
It's strange. Anyway, go on.
And actually, this is the first startup that I'm joining as an executive.
So that must mean that we're onto something here.
Exactly. That's the main reason. I truly believe in the technology.
Why do you believe in the technology? Tell me more.
Because I truly believe that we are bringing a very disruptive solution to the market. As an enterprise veteran, I know the key pain of each enterprise trying to enable new technology, new innovation, the hassle that every startup needs to...
Let me interrupt you one more time.
Yeah.
You're gonna hate me. I'm gonna keep it.
I'm okay.
I just want to explain to you guys a little bit about, I know we've talked about this before, but it is so important for me to explain to you again what Proov does, because it is so needed in this ecosystem. Let me just real quick. If I'm a startup, one of the many things that I kind of strive or dream to do is to collaborate with enterprises, right? I would love as a startup to get my technology adopted by Coca-Cola, right? Amazing. Now here's the thing. Coca-Cola is also looking to adopt cutting edge tech. Why? Because they have to remain relevant and innovative. So great, both sides want it, right? No problem. Yeah, no. Because first of all, they don't know each other. Discovery. But once they find each other, however they find each other, that's just the beginning. Coca-Cola needs to test the software. Think about this. Think what would happen if Coca-Cola adopted new technology and they put it on their system and the thing didn't work and it crashed the entire Coca-Cola server, right? That would not be good. So it's testing the technology, due diligence. It's deploying the technology. It's a process that could take a year.
Exactly.
And so Proov does that entire process of a POC, proof of concept, end to end, from the discovery to the deploy on the Proov cloud, on the Proov platform, and it basically provides peace of mind to both the enterprise and the startup. That's what Proov does, and I cannot describe to you how much that's needed. And I'll tell you one small element of why that's needed, among many others. if I'm a startup, I want to raise money, right? But you know what? An investor doesn't want to put money into something that he doesn't know works. But how do I get users without money? So I need money for users and I need users for money. So I'm stuck. The way to get out of that is to run a POC, because if Coca-Cola is using my software, as an investor, I say, well, your software, your technology must be working. Coca-Cola can use it. So a POC is a great way to get out of that cycle of death, right? That catch-22. But POCs can take forever, and it's an insane amount of resources. So Proov basically removes all those barriers and enables anyone to run a POC super seamlessly. How's that?
Amazing.
They should hire me.
And absolutely. and more than that, Proov platform is much more than discovery. The key pain that Proov platform is solving to any enterprise is really the ability to test a technology and then implement it in a very short time with low cost.
Love it.
And this is an amazing value to any enterprise, because as you know, any enterprise executive or even different level of employees are trying to do everything in-house.
Yep.
What we are enabling them is to adopt new technology, new innovation, actually in no time with no risk. And that's the beauty.
No risk. That's super important. No, because these enterprises can't take risk of new technology toppling their entire, so it's no risk for them, because we have this deep mirroring technology. Proov has this deep mirroring technology where I could take, your entire testing environment and mirror it here in Proov, test everything, and as soon as you know that it works, boom, deploy. Peace of mind.
Think about the nightmare and the risk of moving to the next step, to operation,
right,
to the operation environment.
Right.
So what we are enabling any enterprise is actually to predict how it will work in the new environment, and then again reduce the risk of moving to production.
Yep.
So this is something huge that has a huge potential.
Yep.
And we are so excited because we are bringing a new language, a new disruptive terms.
Very challenging too, though.
And also challenging.
Very challenging.
Challenging.
The company just raised, $14 million from investors. They previously raised from Mangrove and Arrowcrowd. Mangrove backed in the past WalkMe, Skype. I mean, they're Wix, amazing investors. Arrowcrowd is the world's largest equity crowdfunding platform. The company's growing. You saw the view. I mean, this is. I'm not objecting because I'm an advisor, but I think it's one of the hottest companies in Israel. Maybe even in the entire enterprise world. I think there's just tremendous potential here. And I cannot tell you how excited I am to have you as a COO. I mean, the things that you've done, this is going to be amazing. Between Toby and Alexei's talent, the team, and you as our COO, we're going to kick some serious butt.
Yeah, we are creating a very powerful triangle.
Love it. All right. Good luck.
Thanks a lot.
All right. The main has arrived. Watch this. It's not often I have evening events, but I did make an exception, going to dinner in Tel Aviv with my friend Omri Shabi, who's the CMO, I believe, or VP Marketing of Woo.io. They're disrupting the HR space, or talent acquisition space. He's an amazing guy, super awesome energies. It's been a while since we caught up. It was time. Guess we're going for dinner. Mitos. That's what I'm talking about. So this is the man himself. This is the battle of the beards. Unfortunately, I cannot get him to talk to me. He doesn't like me. He doesn't want to talk. We're going to do an interview another time with him. But the truth is, we're all in food coma after all that food, so scratch the interview idea. Interview will come another time. Oh, look at that beard, baby. Look at that beard. Oh, snap. What a day. Finally made it home. I'm about to crash. Tomorrow, though, heading to Jerusalem to Mass Challenge, the world's top accelerator, to speak to the startups there about branding. Then I'm meeting some cool people in Jerusalem. Tomorrow's gonna be a Jerusalem day. It's gonna be a great day. Today was awesome. See you tomorrow.